Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving from 3 miles to Halfway Tree. We are on Hagley Park Road and this is a 3 miles overpass that we are driving over. Now this is one of the busiest routes traveled in Jamaica, or especially Kingston. Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. And the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. So if you're coming from Mandela Highway, you take Spanish Town Road down to Hagley Park Road. If you're coming from Portmore, you come over the Causeway Bridge, you come up to that intersection. And if you're coming from downtown Kingston, you come to that intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. That's why it's so busy. So that's why the 3 miles overpass was built there. It's the only double overpass in Jamaica. The top lane that we were on is Hagley Park Road. The lane below it is Spanish Town Road, and then you have the original intersection at the bottom. So we went over the overpass and we're now on Hagley Park Road heading towards Halfway Tree. And this road was recently renovated. Very nicely done. It's a dual carriageway and it's basically like a highway with has the street lights. Very nicely done. We are now at the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Walton Park Road. Turn right, you take Walton Park Road down to Spanish Town Road. Turn left, you take Walton Park Road back to Red Hills Road, or back to Malines Road. And you notice how this Jersey barrier is? That's the concrete barricade separating both sides. This is how they're going to do the Southern Coastal Highway. That's the highway from Harborview to, well, the highway goes from Harborview to Portland, but the section from Harborview to Yalos is going to be 4 lanes just like this, and it's going to have the street lights just like what you'll see here on Hagley Park Road.
It's 1:04 p.m. To hear your notifications, follow the notification on your phone to turn on notification access.